Morning everyone, it's Jackie in Dunnock's studio. I went out painting yesterday at the Norfolk show. A little oil sketch there that I will go back to work on when some of this has dried. It's very sticky at the moment, but it's not taking that long to dry. It's too hot to paint today. You'll see I've got all my blinds down in here, and there's a few bits of work around I thought I'd show you. So I thought I'd take you outside, show you around, and into the sleep gallery, which is where I store all my finished paintings. So let's have a one. So this is the front of Dunnock studio with the doors wide open, and these are the plants that are struggling. We had 33 degrees here yesterday, which doesn't sound much to most of you living in hotter climates, but we're not used to it, and we are very humid because of all our greenery, so it can be very difficult to cope with heat like that in England. This is the maize crop that's coming on rather well out the back view here, looking very nice. We'll just pop down to the pond in a minute. There's my dragonfly that was for a birthday present from my husband. It's very lovely. We've actually got real dragonflies on our pond, which is only in its first year, and we try save the water when it does come down, and use that for watering the plants wherever possible. So let's have a wander around the rest of the garden. You should imagine lots of you have got gardens with pretty flowers in at the moment. Jasmine's looking particularly nice. So gardens are full of inspiration for paintings, ideas, the birds popping through. Got some blueberries, whoops, our first year's crop of blueberries. Got smoke bush and some beautiful roses. Don't know about any of you, I'm not very good at painting roses. I find them incredibly difficult. I mean, look at all those layers, aren't they gorgeous though? But yes, poppies, slightly easier. Half of these poppies are wild poppies, and half of them are, like this one here, ladybird poppies, where they've got the black dots in the middle. That's where we're currently having our evening dinners. We've got some more climbing roses here, and just turning away from the view there, going down into some more roses tucked in amongst the shady areas. Beautiful rambler on the back. Etc. It's looking pretty good. It's probably the best it's ever looked, to be honest. So if you don't think you can paint and you garden, you're already an artist. So if you like gardens, you can definitely paint. Right, let me take you indoors. Just before we do that, we've got some peaches. Now they would make a fabulous painting, wouldn't they? This is our second year growing peaches, and as you can see, they're liking this hot sunny wall, as are the bees that are using this lovely bee hotel. Just started to use it. So yeah, peaches are looking good. It's a bit dull in here, but we've got all the curtains closed. I'll just show you a couple of paintings I keep up on the wall here, because I like them and they're bright and colourful. And some of you might be interested in this, which is a watercolour lampshade I painted myself. So if anybody would like me to show you how I did this, please drop a comment and I'll put that on the list of videos to do. Sometimes I even buy other artists' work. This is from another Jackie who's in my art group, and it was for my husband's birthday. We now have cranes back in the UK, and we were lucky enough to see them in Norfolk just around the time that I bought this painting, and that's a really nice memory. So amongst all the books, There are a few paintings dotted around. This one was done in Dedham last summer, and although I don't think I've quite got it right, I still love the painting because it reminded me of a beautiful week enjoying myself with good company and painting outside on location in Dedham, the home of Constable Country. So now we're really going into the dark. There's this very cool interior hallway here. And this is what I call the sleep gallery, where if I shoot across the room here, that's the view I sit and look out of when I'm doing any admin. I'm not going to show you the bed, which is just below me, because it's absolutely covered in paperwork. And there's my sleep gallery wall, which is a way of displaying some paintings that are looking for a home. So I've got a couple of exhibitions planned coming up, so some of these hopefully will find a new home. And then there's just a couple of other bits around the room. And there's the lampshade, should any of you wish to learn how to create a watercolour lampshade. I can do that as a video. So of all the ones on this wall, some of them are studies of artists, some of them are originals. Jackie Smurden's, so this is one of mine. This is inspired by somebody else, but actually is very, very much mine. But I love this one. This one I've called Mum's Chair. This is a view of Norwich, which I like, but didn't get into a local exhibition, so there's no accounting for taste, is there? But you have to go with the decision of the people running the exhibition, so don't ever be put off if you don't get into something, just keep trying. This one's a local scene of Swaffham, and you might recognise that one as being a style of Cézanne. Thanks everyone for coming round on the tour of the garden and the house. Apologies for the lack of the painting video. It's just too hot. And I know you're all complaining it's not that hot. Yeah, you're probably right, but it is for me. So no painting today. I did my painting at the Norfolk show yesterday and it was exhausting. So today's just chill day, catch up with admin, etc. So if you'd like to see some more videos from this channel, please let me know what you'd like to see. If you want to see a watercolour lampshade, I can show you that. If you want to see something about oils, I can show you that. Anything you like, please pop a note below. A lot of channels are currently posting about how difficult it is on YouTube. It really is difficult. I do enjoy doing these videos and I really don't mind. I'm not monetized and I probably never will be. But I like to pass on what I know and help people who might not ever try art without some help. So if you want anything that would help you in your journey, please let me know so I can continue making these videos knowing that some of you out there are getting some benefit from them. Anyway, take care and I'll see you all soon on the next video. Bye for now and happy painting. See you soon.